In the dim glow of his attic, where shadows danced on cobwebbed walls, author Max Fletcher stumbled upon an antique typewriter. Intrigued, he dusted it off and began typing, only to discover each keystroke spun tales of chilling suspense and otherworldly happenings. As the night deepened, Max realized these eerie narratives weren't mere fiction. They were premonitions of his own life, unraveling in sinister ways. From mysterious knocks echoing through the night to shadowy figures lurking just beyond his vision, Max's reality became the very horror he penned. Each tale, more terrifying than the last, compelled him to keep writing, as if the typewriter held a ghostly grip over his fate. Curious if Max can escape this haunting cycle, or if the typewriter's curse will consume him. Dive into unexpected tales for more spine-tingling adventures. Subscribe now for stories where the line between fiction and reality blurs, leaving you questioning what is truly possible.